Hennessy Artistry brought out two artists who are ready to give a great show, and that's just what they did.
Hennessy Artistry presents a night of up-close and personal performances by Jah Vinci and the fireman, Capleton.
Capleton I got perform acoustic style, Jah Vinci acoustic style, two of my favorite artists them, so now come watch it, you know.
Cause mom and dad was there for me, but Jah was there for me too. Yes, Jah give me love in my heart and I can feel.
Well, it was a great experience. I'm happy I've gotten the chance to have my first experience because it's the first time I've ever performed in front of that large of a crowd.
Not nice, remember times. Now me dog them go a river, go all a vibes. Man I tell you about times, rough times. For everything a mackerel and a pound of rice.
Jah Vinci, what was it like? Rich people, what go on?
Oh God, intense outside.
Yeah, what was it like tonight? Up close and personal, it's a different vibe.
Yeah man, it was great man, it was, somewhere it touched my heart also,
Yeah, because you're going to some personal story there and some.
Yeah, man, bring me out there to the people. I don't know, enough people know half the artists, Jah Vinci in the dancehall industry, but enough people don't really know the real story. You don't know much if I deliver that tonight, you understand?
Stress out the right on them drink heavy. Box after box is a heavy. Me no afraid to say, Jah. Me want you to guide me from the enemy. Guide me. All over, see me life get busy.
Jah Vinci and Capleton, you can't go wrong, you see me? Acoustic style, wicked and wild.
Capleton on fire.
I'm under the fire. I'm under the fire. I'm under the fire. A natural girl that is mine. Yeah. I'm under the fire. I'm under the fire. Everybody that can jump. Everybody that can jump. The woman me on you.
Fireman, fresh off of the stage. What go on? It's a different vibe tonight.
Yeah, most definitely. It was a more intense vibe. Up close and personal.
When last you perform in a them type of settings, up close and personal in Jamaica?
A good while. So it's a joy. Full joy. The people came out and embraced it. And, we get a little acoustic vibes.
It's a no. It is a destruction to the humanity. Why everybody in the sky do last in a one? Hennessy Artistry. Hey, Gaja City. Coffee.
Whole world embrace the culture. So we have to give thanks to the music and everything we have to do to protect it.
Hold on. When I say more, you say fire. More. More. When I say king, you say Shango. King.
Music alone shall live, and music is the voice of the people. So whatever you tell the people to do, them we do it. So you have to know, what you say and the kind of message we are sending out there, especially for the youths. Them, you know what I'm saying?
The flag get heavy up there?
No man, light like a fire man.
Fire is with purification. So we always bless the youth them. Tell the youth them be obedient. To them parents and them guardians. We always send you them at school, get to know education, be educated.
Right now we're here with the marketing manager for Hennessy, Talisa Linda Johnson. Talisa, first of all, what do you think about tonight? How much of a success was it?
Guess what? The fireman went on stage, right? It was lit. Like, what can I say? A lot of fire, a lot of blazing, a lot of energy. It was
No
really
pun intended. The fireman lit.
No pun intended. So it was really great energy tonight, and I think people really had a good time, We showcased dancehall in a different way, blending, what we know are great beats with acoustics. So I think it was an excellent energy, good vibe, and just a different way to showcase our craft, dancehall.
Dancehall artistry at its best, all courtesy of Hennessy.